This song's called Love Is. I wrote this a few years ago actually. These talking walls ruin every day, and all their revelations drive the falsehoods away. My squad tells the story of my former flame. Fumble with their car keys when I mention her name. I don't know the language of the dating scene now. All I've ever really learned from them is how to run at speed. Through every red line into the blue gate, running in the way of the oncoming train.